Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, November 7th, 2023. It is 3:26 and 13 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, smoking and memory loss. So let's hop to it here. The scientific investigators and researchers say smoking increases chances of midlife memory loss, confusion, study findings, support quitting for brain benefits. Date December 21st, 2022. Source, Ohio State University. Mental-age smokers are far more likely to report having memory loss and confusion than non-smokers, and the likelihood of cognitive decline is lower for those who have quit even recently, a new study has found. The findings build on previous research that established relationships between smoking and Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia and could point to an opportunity to identify signs of trouble earlier in life. The scientific investigators and researchers say there is also one more piece of evidence that quitting smoking is good, not just for respiratory and cardiovascular reasons, but to preserve neurological health. The association they saw was most significant in the 45-59 age group, suggesting that quitting at that stage of life may have a benefit for cognitive health. A similar difference wasn't found in the oldest group in the study, which could mean that quitting earlier affords people greater benefits. The survey allowed the research team to compare subjective cognitive decline measures for current smokers, recent former smokers, and those who had quit years earlier. The analysis included 136,018 people, 45 and older, and about 11% reported subjective cognitive decline. The prevalence of subjective cognitive decline among smokers in the study was almost 1 decimal times that of non-smokers. The prevalence among those who had quit less than 10 years ago was 1.5 times that of non-smokers. Those who quit more than a decade before the survey had subjective cognitive decline prevalence just slightly above the non-smoking group. As these findings could imply that the time since smoking cessation does matter and may be linked to cognitive outcomes, the simplicity of subjective cognitive decline, a relatively new measure, could lend itself to wider applications. As this is a simple assessment that could be easily done routinely at younger ages than we typically start to see cognitive declines that rise to the level of diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease or dementia. It is not an intensive battery of questions. It is more a personal reflection of your cognitive status to determine if you are feeling like you are not as sharp as you once were. Many people don't have access to more in-depth screenings or to specialists, making the potential applications for measuring subjective cognitive decline even greater. It is important to note that these self-reported experiences don't amount to a diagnosis, nor do they confirm independently that a person is experiencing decline out of the normal aging process, but they could be a low-cost, simple tool to consider employing more broadly. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.